Make sure that that traffic is going into an engagement sequence or a warm-up sequence where they get to know you over time. Therefore, they get to trust you, and then at some point they're able to buy from you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about the problem with paid traffic. Now, I've done all kinds of things over the last 25 years in the online marketing game. You name it, I've probably done it because I think of myself as a tester, as a mad scientist. I like to try every tactic and every strategy, see what works, see what doesn't work. That's just my personality. I like to do that. And of course, I've done paid traffic as well, all the way to the beginning when paid traffic first started, back when pay-per-click marketing first began with a company called Overture. And then Overture was quickly bought out by Google and became Google Ads. But there's one big problem with paid traffic. Now, I'm not saying paid traffic won't work. I know that it does work for a lot of people, but there's one big problem with paid traffic, and that is that when you buy traffic from Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, etc., that traffic is ice cold to begin with. In other words, they don't even know if they should trust you. That's why you see a lot of negative comments on ads on Facebook. You see a lot of negative comments on ads where, the person is well established, the person's well known, and they're still getting negative comments. That's pretty amazing. And the reason is that they may be well known to you, but they're not well known to that person. And therefore, that person is reacting as if they don't know that person. And so if you're ever mystified by that, like you're like, why is Tony Robbins getting hateful comments? Doesn't everybody know who he is? Truth is, no, not everybody knows who he is. People come from all different walks of life. People are exposed to different things, and not everybody knows who Tony Robbins is, for example. Just like not everybody will know who you are when you're running Facebook ads. And so therefore, you run the risk of not only getting very cold traffic coming into your funnels, which that's automatically going to happen, but the bigger risk of getting hateful comments on your Facebook ads, which then affect the conversion rate of those ads. So I'm not concerned about getting hateful comments. I'm not concerned about getting negative comments. If somebody doesn't know me, sure, no problem. They don't know me, right? I'm more concerned about the conversion rates on those ads. Well, here's the problem with paid traffic. They don't know you. And so what you want to do is you want to, yes, do paid traffic, do it well, and do it right. Now, when I say do it right, what I mean is make sure that that traffic is going into an engagement sequence or a warm-up sequence where they get to know you over time. Therefore, they get to trust you, and then at some point they're able to buy from you. Now, not all funnels are like that. You might have a very low ticket funnel where they don't have to trust you to pay you $9.97 for an ebook, right? Or they don't have to trust you to sign in for a free opt-in of some kind of free lead magnet, right? You may have a funnel like that, and that's fine. You just have to be sure that you're not only building a relationship with those prospects in mass, but you're also making that funnel work as far as the math goes, meaning you're getting an ROI on your ad cost, right? So the problem, again, just to kind of reiterate, the problem with paid traffic is they don't know you, therefore they don't know whether they should trust you. And that's why I recommend, yes, do that, but also have an organic traffic plan. And in my opinion, the best way to do that is YouTube. You look at experts like Alex Hormozi, Russell Brunson, Myron Golden, Eileen Wilder, all of these experts that are doing really well right now. It's primarily due to the fact that they're doing a lot of video. Now, they may be having a YouTube channel, they may be doing Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, all these things, right? TikTok. But the bottom line is they're using video. And so what I recommend that you do the same. I recommend that you also use video. And one of the best ways to use video is to start with YouTube. And the reason is YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. It's second only to Google, and YouTube is owned by Google. Therefore, when you create YouTube videos, you have a strong chance of ranking not only on YouTube's search engine, which is the second largest search engine, but also on Google's search engine, which is the first largest search engine. So in my opinion, you want to go where the population is, right? And the population is on the two biggest search engines in the world. That's Google and YouTube. And by creating one YouTube video, you get to do both. So there's a lot of power there. But there's even more power when you combine YouTube with email marketing. And when you do this correctly, you create a positive virtual loop. I call it the snowball effect, where you're starting to build and build and build your audience in an almost exponential way. And so I teach that in my course, the YouTube Sales Machine. I'll have a link to that in the description down below. But it's a very, very powerful strategy that we've proven out on another channel. My friend James and I started a channel a year ago, and it's exploded, done incredibly well. So now what I'm doing is I'm applying that same strategy here to my first channel, my original channel that I've had forever. And we're going to see how it blows up and goes big. So if you want to be a part of that journey, you want to see how this works, then be sure to subscribe to my free newsletter right here. And you'll not only get all my latest videos, but all new strategies, anything new that I discover, as well as new courses and interviews with millionaires and things like that. You'll also automatically be entered to win a $500 hotel gift card. I do a giveaway every month, and that's at random. But by simply subscribing to this newsletter, you'll automatically be entered to win. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.